Hello there and welcome to the first official GCSE booster course lesson. Thank you for joining. Now, in this first lesson, I would just like to explain to you exactly what we'll be doing in the next few weeks and months. So we have an entire GCSE syllabus to cover, and that will be a combination of Year 10 and Year 11 work. Now in schools, Year 10 and Year 11 work is very, very fluid. So some schools will do certain topics in Year 11 first of all, or they'll do it in Year 10. Either way, it doesn't matter. But we will be covering most of the entire GCSE syllabus in maths and English. Now, for your first task, it's very important to conduct an assessment because the assessments tell us what your strengths and weaknesses are. So today we'll be looking at English assessment. So first of all, you'll need to go into my website, which is called adnankhantutoring.co.uk. And on the top right-hand side, you'll see an icon here that says Take Assessment. If you just click on that particular icon, and that will take you to the assessment pages, whereby we have lots of different assessments. And if you just scroll all the way down, and right to the bottom on the left-hand side, you'll see the Year 10 English icon just there. If you just click on this Year 10 English icon, and that will then take you to the next page. And this is our first assessment on the top right-hand side, and it's called Dear Diary. If you click on Dear Diary, click the red button, and one more time, and this is your assessment here. Okay, so what you have to do is just read the information and answer the questions at the bottom of the page, and that will give you an instant result, but I will then review your particular test and I will give you feedback through email. Okay, so good luck on this, and we will meet and review this particular test and go through all the questions one by one once you've completed your test. Take care and goodbye.